There are two separate Olympia Tools foldable collapsible service carts, and the one I have right here is the 85189, the larger one, not the smaller one. Came in the box already in its collapsed state, which is, pretty cool. It is durable enough to be traveling around the world, already in its stowed, folded position. Already assembled, I think. Once you unfold it and lock it down, the thing is ready to go. No assembly required. This thing is nice. It's handy because you can fold it up and stow it away, get it out of the way. I find it helps me organize by getting stuff off the ground and putting it in one of its 3 levels. I don't think it's designed for tools to live permanently, but when relocating something from one end of the garage to the other, this is pretty convenient. This cart has wheel locks, and as you can see right here, you should use them. I guess just from this example alone, you can see this thing rolls pretty easily, especially on flat surfaces in your garage. I don't know about off-road situations, but yeah, when you're if you're in a laboratory, a garage, or somewhere where you have flat surfaces, I think this thing will work pretty well for you. So here I am working on my car. Here I am just working about in the garage and kind of just showcasing the capabilities of this cart. Now I also have a tool cart, which this thing can't quite replace, but it complements the cart, especially with the ability to be stowed behind it with all the tools organized in the cart and this thing just out of the way in the garage. So be sure to buy this thing, man. It will make your life a little bit easier.